Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make oatmeal on the stove. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 1/2 cup of rolled oats and 1 cup of liquid. This liquid can be water, milk, or any non-dairy alternative you prefer. Don't forget a small pinch of salt. It truly brings out the best flavor in your warm, comforting bowl of oatmeal. Now, let's begin the cooking process. Carefully pour your chosen liquid and the 1/2 cup of rolled oats into a small saucepan. Next, add that small pinch of salt we discussed earlier. Place the saucepan on your stove and turn the heat to medium-high. We want to bring this mixture to a gentle, rolling boil before moving to the next step. Once your oatmeal mixture reaches a gentle boil, it's time to reduce the heat. Turn your stove down to low. Allow the oatmeal to simmer gently for about 5 to 7 minutes. During this simmering period, remember to stir the oatmeal occasionally. This helps prevent it from sticking to the bottom of the pan and ensures it cooks evenly to a perfect consistency. Your oatmeal is ready when it has reached a creamy consistency and most of the liquid has been absorbed. Remove the saucepan from the heat and let it rest for just 1 to 2 minutes. This brief resting period allows the oatmeal to thicken slightly more. Finally, spoon your warm, delicious oatmeal into a bowl and add your favorite toppings. Enjoy your perfectly cooked breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.